Okay, sweet. Sorry, can you repeat that?
It is a way to visualize data in an easy to understand way.
Okay. Roshni?
No, Zida.
Um,
Zida?
Data visualization is information presented or displayed on a graph.
okay.
That's nice.
Okay.
Okay, Trisot?
Data visualization is like presenting data in a graph or a chart in an easily understandable way.
Mm-hmm. Okay, perfect. So why do we visualize data? Adia?
So it's easier to understand what it's about.
Okay, yeah. Anyone else? Zidan?
To get information, meaningful information.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Anyone else? Crystal?
It's so we can like understand it and like plan for the future.
Okay. Sweet. Perfect. So what are some types of data visualizations? I think we covered this last time. Crystal again.
Graphs, bar graph.
Uh-huh. Azvik?
Like plots and charts.
Graphs and charts?
Plots and charts.
Okay. Yeah, plots and charts, okay. Anyone else? Hamsita?
Maps.
Yeah. Okay, perfect. Anyone else? Is that all we have?
Bubble chart, area chart, a line graph, pie charts.
Yeah. Sweet. So what are some data visualization tools? Just see if it has my hands on it. Alina?
Power BI.
Yeah. Zidan?
Tableau, Obi, and Snowflake.
Okay. Anyone else? Let's see. Okay, Shreyans.
Excel or Google spreadsheets.
Sweet.
Docs.
What was that, sorry?
Docs. Google Docs.
Google Docs, okay, yeah.
Google Slides.
Yeah. Okay.
SQL servers.
Yeah.
Notepad.
No, not Notepad. Not really.
Word.
Yeah, on Word, yeah. Did everyone install Power BI Desktop except for the two girls that set up the stuff? Does everyone have Power BI Desktop? Yeah, just like give me a thumbs up. Yeah. Okay. If you're having issues, we can deal with that after this lesson. But did everyone import the movie dataset into the Power BI?
Yes.
No.
No. Okay. Okay, if you just said no, just raise your hand, like at the top. Okay. Okay. Import?
Yeah, not so much report.
No,
The
import.
learnings.
Import.
Go through the import.
Input? Okay.
Okay.
Okay, before we move on, I'm just gonna show everyone how to import because just for the people that raised their hand, I'll just help them out, okay? Okay, so first, if you guys open the people who are struggling with importing the data set, open Power BI desktop. Okay, is everyone on Power BI desktop? Yeah,
Yeah.
like for the people who needed help with importing? Yeah, thumbs up. Yeah. Okay, sweet. Now, can everyone see my screen, by the way?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, okay. So, first we're gonna go into get data at the top. Can everyone see that? Just say, just unmute and say yes.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. So to get data, and then we're gonna go more. Just Excel.
Text CSV.
Okay.
CSV.
Okay, so we'll do it as a text CSV. So go to text CSV. And here's the movie. Has everyone downloaded it?
No.
No? Okay,
Yes.
first
Yeah.
download it. Download it onto your laptops.
Where do
How
we
do
get
we
it?
download it?
How do I
It's-
download?
Is it on?
Okay, there is a link which I'm going to share in the chat. I'm going to open the chat, but please don't misuse it. Okay. Access this link and then download. After downloading, do a thumbs up. Advik, did you download? Suhrut, okay. Advik, did you download?
It's loading.
Okay.
Can you send it?
I sent it in the chat. Can you see the chat?
Send it.
Fiona?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. So everyone downloaded? Who did
I
not
I
download?
downloaded it yesterday.
Who did not download? Adya, you already did some visualization, right? Was it not on movie dataset?
Hello?
Yeah.
I can't see it on my chat. Can you resend it?
Okay. Not WhatsApp chat. I am
I
going to
know,
send
on
in
the
Teams
meeting
chat.
chat
Okay.
for some reason I can't see it yet.
Okay. Try now.
Yeah, I got it. Thank
Okay.
you.
That's good. Okay. Yeah.
I'm not able to save it. I don't have Excel.
It's a CSV file. Just download it. So how you download is, if I go into this browser, I just go here, and then if I go there, then here there is a download button. There will be a download button. See here? You can download it from there. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Now everyone has downloaded. Now go through what Medha says.
Okay. Can everyone see the screen?
No.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So now let's go over that again. So this is the normal, we're on the Power BI desktop page. Now to import our data set, we go into get data. Is everyone doing it with me? Who hasn't done it yet? Yeah? Okay, sweet. Get into get data and then text/CSV. Click on that. And then click on your the Excel spreadsheet that you've just downloaded, the CSV file. Yeah? Have you done that?
Can you repeat? Your voice was cracking.
Oh, okay. Okay. Go into get data. Yeah? Has everyone done that?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then go into text/CSV. And in Power BI, we just click on the data set that you just downloaded, like the CSV file that we just downloaded, the movie metadata. It's going to be in your downloads. Okay, and then we open it. Yeah? Is everyone on this page?
Yo.
Look like
Yes.
What does yours look like?
Yep.
Say
No.
no.
Yeah, Divya, do you have a question?
I'm
No.
still doing.
Okay. Okay. Okay, sweet. So after this, you just press load.
Just here.
And there you go. Our data has been loaded, and now you can start making visualizations with the data. Did we get that?
No.
No.
Oh,
Yo.
one. Wait. Who said that they didn't get it? Oh, yep. Cherry and Priya.
Can you repeat the part where you said about the downloading?
Oh, you just have to download it off the chat. Can you see the link on the chat?
Yeah, I've done that.
You've done that? Okay. And then it's gonna be on your downloads in your laptop.
Okay.
Yeah. So
What do I press in the Power BI?
okay, so you go to get data at the top. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then go to text/CSV.
Yeah.
Click on it and then select what you just downloaded, the movie metadata, like the
Yeah.
Excel spreadsheet. Yeah, just click on that and then go open.
I got it.
Got it? Sweet. Okay, yeah, and then you press load after that. This load over here, but I'm not gonna download mine. Load mine again. So I'm just gonna press cancel, but you press load. Nanika, do you have a question?
I didn't get the Power BI downloading one on the chart.
Oh, you didn't get it? Oh,
I didn't.
let me do it one more time then. Okay.
हो गया
Did you get the link?
ना करे login हो गया but then it
Nanika?
hold on. I'm on the beat. Yes, I got the link.
Did you get the link? Did you download it?
Yes.
Yeah, did you get it? Okay, sweet. Okay. Did you get how to get it onto Power BI?
Yes.
Okay, sweet. Anyone else struggling? Did everyone get that? Does everyone have the movie metadata in their Power BI?
Yeah.
How does it look when you
I have
share
it. I have it. I have it.
You have it? Okay, sweet.
My Power BI looks different.
Okay, now let's go to the next part. So the agenda for today is we're gonna collect some of your learnings from your visualizations. So for the people who have already created their visualizations, we're just gonna talk about like what your learnings from them and like just talk about your visualizations, okay, and like what you've used. And we'll discuss like any issues that you guys have faced when creating your reports for homework. And we'll be looking at Power BI desktop views. And then we'll be talking about Power Query Editor. So that's where like we can transform our data. And towards the end, we'll talk about removing columns and we'll talk about calculated columns. Okay? Sounds good? Okay. So what are some of our learnings from our visualizations? Okay. Crystal?
Power BI, it like when you're like creating the chart, like it uses like bar graphs and pie charts, but then like when you like select the things like the columns you want to put in, it like turns in, it like makes like, if for example if you're making a pie chart and you're like doing budget by movie title name, you would like see the movie title name, like there would be like a bunch of options and you would see how much budget each would get. So yeah.
Wait. Okay, wait, hold on. Come again. So you're saying that like it automatically does bar graphs and what were you saying? Bar
Yeah,
graphs.
it automatically does bar graphs and pie charts, like if you select it.
So Power BI automatic bar graphs and pie charts, yeah.
Yeah, if you want it, and then like it like a bunch of options pop up like about what you selected.
Okay, yeah. Okay, sweet. So that's your learning?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, sweet. Anyone else? Oh, sorry. Just put your hands up. Oh yeah, Sachit.
Hello, can you hear me?
No, I can't.
Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you. Like it's pretty faint, but it's fine.
Oh, okay. My Power BI, it looks different.
Oh. What do you mean?
Like, the options aren't there, like when I press get data.
Oh.
Should I share my screen?
Yeah, share your screen.
Yeah. Can you see my screen?
Okay. Oh wait. Just go to the. You have get data at the top.
Hello.
Yeah, there. Yeah, and then it's text CSV. Yeah.
And like, it's not here.
Go to downloads. Have you downloaded it? Do you want to try downloading it again?
Okay, I tried like 2 times.
Can you see in downloads? Can you see the file in downloads? Can you show?
Yeah, this one.
No, that's not the one.
Okay, this
No,
one.
that's not the one. Yeah, this is the one. Click on dot 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 and then download. Yeah. Find.
What?
Can you stop
Okay.
misusing the chat?
Yep, I did it.
Okay, sweet. Okay, now click on it. The movie. Yeah, open. Okay, and then just press load. Okay, perfect.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank you so
you can
much.
delete those
That's okay.
visualizations.
Okay. Okay.
My one says that my data hasn't loaded yet, but I have done that.
Oh, what do you mean? Like,
I've loaded my data onto Power BI, but it says that I haven't done it.
oh, try again.
Okay.
Meanwhile, Shreyans, do you want to share your learnings?
Share my learning?
Yeah.
Okay.
Of the visualization that you have
Can
done.
share my screen?
No.
No. You don't need to share your screen. Just one sec.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
I tried downloading the Power BI desktop in my mom's laptop, but it's not working in there too.
Okay, let's deal with that after the class.
Okay. If your Power BI isn't working, we can do it after this lesson.
For the Power BI, do I have to sign in?
You don't have to sign in.
Alright.
Okay? Okay. Okay, can everyone see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, does anyone else have any more learnings
Yes.
from the visualizations that they've created? Yeah, Shreyans?
Okay. Is it okay if I share my screen so it's easier?
Yeah, sure. Go for it.
Which screen? Do you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What I first did was I created a sort of layout for how I want it to look. And then by pressing these buttons here, I was able to create some charts and graphs.
How
So
did you
there's
make
a
the
table
layout?
here. Oh, I just want to insert shapes and then just insert
okay.
random shapes. And
Okay.
after that, I just put these random ones here. And then I put these 2 cards and then a text box here for the type. And then I had all my data. And if you see, if I hover over
Oh,
this,
wow.
it's that how I did that is because I went to I created a new page.
Yeah.
And in this new page, I went to format page, went to canvas settings and changed the
Tooltip?
type to tooltip. And I
Okay.
just used shapes and the new card option, which is here. Not this, the new card option, which also allows me to add an image into the card. So this is the image. And it allows more customization. And I created 2 different ones. But these 2 ones do not use the tooltip thing because I needed
Okay.
2 different ones. So basically, I just made a custom shape inside. And then what I did was I went and then I pressed my drop.
Yeah.
And then I went into format your visual and general. And then I saw the tooltips option.
Okay.
And I just pressed this and then clicked on the page I wanted. So for this, whenever I hover over it, it will show this page. In here, in the card, it shows the sum of the budget of all of them.
Yeah.
But in the page for the tooltip, if I
Oh.
if I hover over this one, it will show the budget for only the Dark Knight movie.
Okay.
And I made that work with these, and I added 2 different values.
Oh, wow. This is so impressive.
And also, when you press on one of these buttons for the movies, it shows the content rating and the language, and it shows the full name of the movie here. And it also highlights them here and here. But if it doesn't have a genre, it won't be highlighted. It doesn't have a genre from the data set, which some of them for some reason don't.
Okay. That's
Yep.
really good.
Very good, Shreyansh.
Yeah.
Okay, can you document that, Meda?
Yeah.
Created layouts. This text boxes.
Thank you.
Layouts were
They're with shapes. Yeah.
shapes.
Yeah.
Shapes. Text boxes. Tooltips. Interactive tooltips.
Yeah.
Text boxes. Interactive tooltips. New parts. And images. Yeah. Parts with images. Yeah. Very good, Shreyansh.
Sweet.
Okay,
That was
this
great.
is done. Who else? Who else did the
Thanks.
visualizations? Who wants to share?
Is there anyone else that wants to share?
I'm just going. Ananya. Is Ananya online? Aryaman? Ananya, you can share. I know I can see you. What is your
Do you have any
what
learnings?
are your learnings? What did you learn after doing the visualization?
I learned how to add like the pictures to see the data, and
Add visualizations to
learned,
see the data.
yeah,
Yeah.
I also learned about how to the different types of charts and stuff like that, like the pie chart, and then the um like the stacked bar chart, and
Mhm.
then the area chart.
Okay. Different types of charts. So you discovered different types of charts.
Yeah.
Okay.
Aryaman is not there, right? Okay, Aryaman is not there, and Shriyans is okay. So is done. Alina, do you want to share what your learnings are?
Alina?
So in some of budget language, when I put the data in a donut chart, it showed me that 82% of the movies are English.
Mm-hmm. So that was the learning for you?
Yes.
Okay.
That's good, Alina. The way you are saying is it's really good.
Mhm.
You are saying the not just the charts and stuff, but you are saying how much percentage. I like
Yeah.
the way you are thinking about what the visualization is saying. Very good.
Okay.
Arush, I think you also did some visualization. Are you there? Arush and Aryaman, I can't see those people.
Yo, I'm here.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
Okay. What were your learnings from?
The different types of charts, how it like did everything, like it summed it up really quick and showed me like the charts of them that I picked.
I can't hear you properly. Could you properly? Could you please repeat that?
It like summed it up really quick, and the like different types of charts are like really cool that are there.
Mm-hmm. So okay. So the different charts were summarized well. Yeah. Okay. Anyone else have any learnings?
Anika, have your hand up. Okay, that must be Arush. Okay. Okay. Issues this. Share your
Okay.
list. Share.
Um. Okay. So, these were all our learnings from today. Next, we will be looking at any issues that we faced. Did anyone face any issues during when they were creating their reports? Crystal?
Sorry, I accidentally put my hand up.
Okay, okay. Did anyone else?
So hard is
Sohar?
Venkat.
Like sometimes when I press the stuff, it didn't like load.
Okay. Anyone else? Venkat?
I tried creating a sample, but it didn't work for some reason. in like the DAX queries thing. I tried creating a
Oh, okay.
sample book. It kept on
Okay.
saying a few errors.
Okay. Creating examples.
Didn't work.
Okay.
Let's have a look later on. You are Arush, right?
Okay.
Venkat. Okay, Venkat.
Anyone else?
Nayanika, Arush.
Oh yeah, sorry. Nanika?
I had issues on getting the bars and bar graphs charts onto my page.
Okay. Okay. Backgrounds. Charts. Page. Episode.
Like when I was making a pie chart, some of the percentages were like really small. So like when I hovered over it, like
Mhm.
it didn't show it because it was like really small.
Okay. Yeah. Do you remember which ones they were?
I think it was the one like, yeah, it was like actually 3 Facebook likes. Like I made it into a pie chart and like some of the actors are like really low, like maybe like it was like 62 or something. Like it was like really low and I tried to hover over it, it was too small.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, let me just write that down. Low percentages. Okay. Okay, sweet. That was a good one. Anyone else? Cherry and Priya?
We had trouble downloading it, and because this platform's very new for us, we didn't know what we were actually kind of doing.
Okay. Sweet. Anyone else want to share any issues? No? Okay, sweet. Let's carry on. Okay. So now we'll be talking about the different Power BI desktop views. So give me one sec. Okay, sweet. So this is our Power BI desktop, and over here we have the different views of our data. Can everyone see that? Just to the left over here.
That's the back. Yes.
Yeah. We have the 4 different views. So this one, the one that we're in right now, is the Power BI report view. Okay. It's just to view your reports based on the data sets, and then yeah, it's just like a normal view, and this is where like you can build your report and create your visualizations. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
So
Okay.
we can make our pie charts and our bar graphs, everything is on this report view only. This is the only view where we can do that. Okay? And the
Okay.
next one over here, the table view. Okay? I press on the table view. This is what the table view looks like. And the table view is also called the data view.
Wow.
Flip.
Wow.
What are we supposed to do?
Power BI.
Yeah.
Table view. Table view. Go to the table view.
Where, man?
The table view.
Point at it.
It's on the left. The second one on the left. Like over here. It's also called data view. Did everyone get that?
Yeah.
You can go on different tables. So as you can see, the movie metadata and then the movie metadata 2. Yeah, these are our different tables. On the right side, underneath data. Can everyone see that? Does everyone get it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So there are columns here and rows. And this is kind of like where you can like edit your data a bit. And you can transform, there's like plenty of transformation features. And it's kind of similar to the Power Query editor, which we'll be talking about soon as well. Okay, did everyone get that?
Yep.
Yeah, you can create new measures, you can create new columns and new tables, and you can manage your relationships over here as well. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So the next one, the third one over here, to our left is the model view. Okay? And it basically just like, it's just like a relationship identifier between the data sets. So it just like creates a relationship between, it identifies the relationship between our data sets, 2 or more data sets. Okay? So as you can see,
Okay.
yeah, these two are our tables. And again, you can
Okay.
see our tables over here. And it just kind of like identifies the relationship. Okay?
Yep.
Okay, and it uses a data model, okay, to do this. Okay?
Yep.
You can't create visualizations on here. Okay?
Okay.
And the next one is one that we won't be using, but this is just like for DAX queries, which is just like another like Power BI language. Okay, but we won't be covering that anytime soon. Okay? So
Okay.
the fourth one is like a little irrelevant to us at the moment. Okay?
Yep. Okay.
So, what was the report view for? Does anyone remember?
For
Except-
our Power BI report.
The visualization.
Uh-huh, and what else?
To make our own projects.
Yeah, okay. What can you not do on here?
Table view.
Yeah, but yeah, that's good, but can you elaborate a bit more?
Create DAX queries.
Yeah, you can't do that as well, but most importantly, you can't edit your data on here. Okay, this is just for making visualizations, like you can't really like go into anything.
Can't
get
you
what I
do
mean?
it like before you load it? Like you
Pardon?
loaded it. Can't you like edit it before you load in?
Yeah,
Like,
you can
load
edit it
in the
before you.
Query
Yeah,
editor.
you can edit it before you load it, but we've already loaded it.
You can also edit it using Power Query editor.
Yeah, Power Query Editor, exactly. We'll be talking about that really soon. So, that was what our report view is for, just to create our visualizations, okay? Just for all the pretty stuff, okay?
Okay.
And what is our table view for? Does anyone remember?
It's
see
To
what
for-
view the different tables.
Mhm.
Like,
Okay, yeah.
to
Where
view
can
the
you find
life and
where can you find the
access
different tables?
On the sidebar
The
which has
table
the
view
data
section.
section.
In columns.
It's just a bunch of data.
But where can you find the tables?
In columns.
Manage
You can
relationship.
find it in the columns, but also like where on my page right now can I see two tables?
On the data sidebar.
Yep, perfect. Yep, right here underneath data. Okay. And name 4 things that we can do on the table view. It's
We
right in
can
front of
edit.
me.
Look at
We
it.
can
Just
edit
change
the
the
data.
names of the the thingies.
You
can
can
change
what?
We can
You're
edit the
able
data.
to change the name
Yeah, we
of
can
the
edit the
file,
data,
you're
but
able
change
to
there
the
are
create
name
4
new
of
things
measures,
that are
and
on
you're
my
able to
screen.
view
I can see
different
your-
tables.
We can change the name of the columns.
Yeah, you can do that. You can create new measures and quick measures, new columns, and new tables. They're all at the top here, the 4 things. Okay?
Yup.
Okay, sweet. Now, what was the third one for? The model view.
To find relationships between different data sets.
Perfect. Okay, perfect. Anything else? Shrieker?
No. Just
Nope.
find the relationships.
Okay. Sweet. And what about the DAX view?
You can see the BI language.
Yep. Sweet.
see the code
Okay,
and
and this will be quite irrelevant for us because we won't be doing this. But okay, perfect. So those were the different Power BI desktop views. Okay. Now let's go back to the PowerPoint.
I love this.
Okay. Can everyone see this?
Yes.
Okay, so those were our 4 desktop views. Now, let's talk about Power Query Editor. So, as someone said before, I can't remember, as soon as you load your data, you can go into Power Query Editor and edit it before you bring it on to Power BI. Okay?
Yep.
But there's another way that you can do it once the data is like already on Power BI. So right now, okay, can everyone see this? Right now we're already on Power BI. Okay, now we need to find a way to edit our data on Power Query Editor. So what we're gonna do is go to Transform Data up here. You guys can do this with me if you'd like. Go into Transform Data at the top here and press that and click on Transform Data. And there you go. We've opened Power Query Editor. This is what Power Query Editor looks like.
You've only shared the one window with Power BI in it.
Oh, right. Okay, hold on. Hold up. Okay. Can we see this now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so this is what Power Query Editor looks like.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
I can see it.
I
You
can
can't.
see.
You can see it? Okay.
Me too.
So yeah, that's what Power Query Editor looks like. Has everyone gotten into the Power Query Editor?
Yes.
I've used it
Could you
before.
show it again, please?
Sure. Like,
Yeah. Let's do this.
No.
I'm not sure.
Okay. So. Oh my God! No! What did I just do? Oops. Hold up. Let me just go. Let me just share my entire screen. Okay, can everyone see my screen?
Yep.
Okay, let's go. Since this is the normal report view, okay? In the report view, at the top, it says transform data. Can everyone see that?
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah. Click that little down arrow on it and press transform data again.
Can you repeat that, please?
Yeah, so we've got on our report view, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah. Go to
Yeah.
transform data at the top here. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Click on it.
Yes, we've done that.
Yeah. And then click on transform data underneath it.
Do we have to do this?
You don't have to do it. I'm just trying to show you Power Query Editor. Let me know when you've gotten it.
We're already in it.
Yeah. Okay, perfect. Okay, so this is what Power Query Editor looks like. And over here, this is basically just where you edit your data. So you can change your, you can remove rows. You can transpose your data. You can do a bunch of things here. You can even like run an R script or run a Python script. You can do a bunch of things on here. It's just like anything you want to do to just like customize your data. So
Can you add more?
yeah, you can. You can go to new source and you can just in the new source you can just import like a new file into here as well. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can like add to your data as well. And you can also just enter your data like manually. Just like creating a new table and typing it out. Okay? It will be quite time consuming, but you can even like copy and paste from like from Excel and anywhere. Okay?
Yeah.
So we can also split our columns. So for example, if we have director name, we can split the column into like director first name and director last name. Okay?
Okay.
So what we can do is just select our column and go into split column. And you can do it by delimiter, by number of characters, by the positions, by whether it's uppercase and lowercase. No, I think let's do it by delimiter. And we can just select space over here, because there's a space between both the names. So James space and then Cameron, and then you click on leftmost delimiter. For everyone who like is doing it with me, like, did you guys get it?
Yeah.
Sort of.
Sort of?
Could you show it again, sorry?
Yeah, of course. Okay, so if we go into director name, click on director name, and then click split column at the top. Did we get that?
Yes.
Okay, and then you go by delimiter.
First one.
Yeah. Did everyone click on that?
Yes. Yes.
And then space.
Sorry, where did we
select
click
space.
again? Well, sorry, what did we do again? What did we do again? Sorry.
So you go to split column, you select the column, director name, and you go to split column. Yeah?
Yep. Yeah.
By delimiter. The first one.
By
Click on
delimiter.
it.
Yep. Got it. I got it.
And then go into click on space. It's already selected for me. And then we go to leftmost delimiter. Did we get that?
Yep.
Yes.
What
Did
do we
anyone
put
say
in
no?
the character?
No.
Okay, and then we go, okay. And then we go, we split our names into director's first name and director's last name. Yeah?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so now let's rename this. Instead of director name 1, let's, by the way, to rename, click on this director underscore name dot 1, just double click on it. Yeah?
No, not like that.
Let me know if you didn't get it.
We got it.
Yeah?
We got
So
it.
then you go director first name. Yeah? Once you've typed that, just press enter.
Bring Nana.
Did everyone do that?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, and then director last name. So again, double click on the other one, the other column, and director last name, and then enter. Did everyone get that?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so every time you make a step or like you make an edit on Power Query Editor, yeah, it gets documented kind of on over here on applied steps, which is to the right of Power Query Editor. Yeah? Did we get that? Yeah. Okay. So every time we do something,
Yeah.
every time we do something on here, we can see it over here. We can see it over here. Okay?
Okay.
So for example, if we delete a step by pressing the X, okay? Then what we just did, we just renamed our columns, right? What we just did is going to disappear. Did you see that? Now we don't have our director first name and last name.
Yes.
Yeah. So when you're editing on Power Query Editor, make sure that like if you wanted to undo something, make sure you're like thinking wisely before you press the X button, because like it can just mess up your data if you don't like press the right one. Yeah?
Can you press Control Z to undo?
Oh, you can't. You can't press Control Z. See, Control Z. I'm pressing it right now. Nothing's gonna happen. So that's why you have to be very careful.
Oh no.
Yeah. So it's not gonna work. So don't press the X when you don't need to, or press it wisely. You should know exactly what it's gonna do to your data. Okay.
Okay.
Wait, I have a question. Like,
Okay.
for example, like in the applied steps part, like if step 1 affected step 2 and then like you remove step 1, like will step 2 also disappear, or will it just like
No, step 2 will remain. It's just your data will look different.
Okay.
Because
Yeah,
there
wait,
won't be step 1.
wait, like just like putting an example to this, when you like split the director name into like the first name and the last name, and then we change the names to director first name and director last name. If we delete the step where we split the column by the delimiter, what will happen to the names?
It will break.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, because the next one was just renaming, so the column would just break. Yeah?
Wait, so will the name just be like something random?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so let's see what else we can do with this. Oh, another interesting thing is you can there's this button called use first row as headers. So for example, sometimes our data set, when we get our data set, our first rows like can be our column names, and they're not like our like these things over here. So wait, let's actually let me just get rid of all of this and I'll show you just getting rid of promote headers. Okay, perfect. So over here, as you can see, this whole entire row here, okay, is meant to be our headers. Yeah? But instead they're just part of the column. Okay?
Yeah.
But if we want to make them headers, what we're gonna do is just select this entire row, and then go use first row as headers. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can do either. You can use headers as first row, or you can use the first row as headers. For this, we're going to use the first row as headers. So that's the first option. Perfect. Now our headers have been promoted to the top. Did everyone get that?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, sweet. Okay, sweet. So that was a little bit of a play around with Power Query Editor. Okay. Okay, that was a little bit of a play around with Power Query Editor. Now we can go into the Transform tab. Okay, and this also over here also has the use first row as headers. And there's just like a bunch of other things that you can use. Like, let's see. You can rename. You can rename and you can detect the data type. So what type of data it is. So usually you can use that for like numbers, like for it to detect like what kind of data your numbers are showing. And
There is a run Python script button. Does that mean we can use NumPy or different Python libraries?
Yeah, you can. Yeah. So that's for transform, and at the top there's an add column button. So you can create a custom column. You can create a custom column, and you can duplicate columns here and create conditional columns. And you can format your columns to make them completely uppercase, completely lowercase. And yeah, you can use dates and times, but for our data set, we don't need to use that. And then there's a view tab at the top. We can view ours as monospaced, or like we can show our white spaces. And we can go to our columns. And then there's advanced editor, which we won't get into now. To get into this, you can just, click on the box for the tick. So this is what monospace look like. And then show white space. Then column quality. And column distribution. This is great for so this is just kind of like a visual representation of it. It's like profiling the data. Yeah? Can everyone see that? And then there is column profile as well. So color, and then black and white. And then there's all of these ones, so you can have a look. You can have a play around with this in your spare time. And then there's a tools one. And then a help bar. So this is so that's all we have for the Power Query editor. Let me go back into
Miss, you're muted. You're muted.
My screen has gone black.
Oh.
I
What do you
can't
mean?
see anything. The shared screen part, it's just totally black now.
Wait, share it again. Okay. Okay. Let me share my screen again.
Okay.
I have a question.
I can see it now.
Yeah.
For numbers, like if it goes to the millions, could we just write the, like, rather than writing the zeros, could we like just write 24 million? Like just write million rather than adding the zeros to the number?
Like the yeah, you can. You just have to format it right.
Okay.
Okay, so the next thing we'll be doing is creating a calculated column. Okay. So how to do that is we're gonna go into our Power BI desktop. Can everyone see my screen? Oh, crap. Wait, hold on.
We could only see the calculator column part.
Now, see.
Okay, can everyone see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's go into our table view. And then we go into new column at the top. Did everyone do that?
Yeah.
Okay, and in this bar over here at the top, you just get rid of this, the column equals. And instead of that, you just do count equals 1.
Wait, how do you do that again? Sorry.
Okay. Go into the
One. Equals 1.
Okay, go into the table view on Power BI desktop.
I've already done that.
Yeah? Did everyone get into that?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
and then go into new column at the top. Tell me when you're done.
Done.
Sweet. Okay. Click on it. And now, can everyone see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So over
Yeah.
here, where it says column equals 2, can everyone see that part?
Yeah.
Yeah. You just get rid of that. So just backspace. Just delete that. Okay?
Okay, doke.
Hokey
And
dokey,
then-
done.
And then you go count equals 1.
Done.
Yep. Okay, enter.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, sweet. Now we just made a new row. I mean, sorry, a new column. A new column over here. Did everyone get that?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's how you make a new column.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, did anyone not get that? Shaker?
I didn't get that.
Okay, do we do it one more time?
Yes, please.
Second. Sweet. Okay. So go to the table view. So this is our Power BI report view. Go into the table view on the left. Did you get in?
Yes.
Okay. Now go into new column at the top. Did you get that?
Yep.
Okay, and now instead of the column equals, you delete the column equals. Did you do that?
Yep.
And then you go count equals 1. Did you get it?
Yes. Thank
And
you.
then you go enter.
Thank you.
Sweet. Okay. That was how to create a column. And if you want to delete a column, you just right click on the top of the column and then you just go delete. And then yes. Okay? Did everyone get that?
Can we highlight the column and backspace it?
I don't
Would
think that will work. That won't work.
You can't backspace in Power BI. You have to like press the DEL delete button.
Okay, did we get that?
Yes.
Yes.
Can you guys see that, please? Okay, yeah, sweet. Okay, can you see my screen, everyone?
Yep.
Okay, now we'll
Yes.
since we just created a new column, now we're gonna learn how to create a new measure. Okay? So let's go into
Okay.
let's go back into Power BI. This will be the last thing that we do. So let's go back into Power BI, back into our table view.
They can't see.
Yeah.
So sorry.
Okie dokie wokey.
Okay, sweet. Back into here. And then we go into new measure. Right?
Yes.
Okay, so now you get rid of this measure here at the top.
Yeah.
Done.
Measure equals, okay, and then you go budget total. Right? That's the name, that's gonna be the name of our measure.
Wait, how do you do it?
So you go into our report view. Our table view. And then you go click on new measure at the top. Can everyone see the new measure button?
Yeah.
Yeah, click on that. Did everyone get that?
Yeah.
Now we're going to be making a new measure, okay, called budget total. Okay, that's what it's going to be called, budget total. Okay? So to make the new measure that's called budget total, what we're going to do is, can you see the measure equals that's highlighted in blue at the top? Yeah?
Yes.
Can you guys see it? The measure equals that's highlighted in blue at the top.
Maybe you should get it closer.
over here at the top here.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just get rid of that. So press backspace.
Measure भी equals to space.
See, back
Oh,
to
budget
page
total.
7.
Did everyone get that?
You're not typing. You're not typing.
Did everyone get
Typing
that?
at the first time, Debra.
Yeah.
Practice చేయకుండానే.
Okay, and then we're gonna name that budget total. So type in budget total, and then equals.
Equal to.
మళ్ళీ నువ్వు టైప్ చేసావు మళ్ళీ ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నావు?
Okay,
Somehow-
and then we go sum.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Somehow it's not letting us type, but it did earlier.
Try again.
No, it says that to use special characters in a measure name, enclose the entire name with brackets.
Wait.
Maybe you have a special character. Just maybe remove the space or something or underscore.
No, I don't have any of that. It's just not letting me click a type.
Okay, can you press escape and then go to new measure again? Check.
Oh yeah, done.
Got it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, did everyone write in the budget total?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now we're gonna go sum. So once you start typing, like it's gonna give you some options, okay? Just say SUM. Okay, and then bracket. Open a bracket. And can you see movie metadata? And then in brackets, it says budget. Can everyone see that?
Yeah.
Is your screen the same as mine?
Yes.
Yeah. Just
Yeah.
click on that budget. Okay? And don't do anything yet. Just
Does
click on the
this
budget.
Does this sum up the budget for all the movies we have?
Yeah. Yeah, it does. So after you click that, you close the bracket. Okay, make sure you close the bracket or it's going to give you an error. So make sure that you close the bracket.
Done.
Has
Yeah,
everyone
press
closed the bracket?
Yes.
Does your sentence look the exact same as mine?
Yes.
Yeah, now press enter.
Yo, what happened?
Okay, sweet. So it doesn't come as a column, but it will come as a measure to the side. Can you see that? Like this logo over here, budget total. Yeah, does everyone have a budget total measure to the side?
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Yes.
now we've just created
Now
a
we-
new measure.
Wow.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, I'll take over now. What did you observe difference between calculated column and measure?
I don't know.
Anyone else who has observed?
A column is visually represented in the table
Yes, very good. Shriyansh?
where the budget total
not.
or our measure has not been visually represented in the table.
That's very good observation. So how
And
can we see?
it also looks like the budget total measure is using some sort of programming language as sum, and
Yeah,
sum
it's
is some
DAX.
sort of function.
it's a DAX function. DAX functions are similar to Excel functions if you have used. So there are a lot of DAX functions. Depending on the visualizations that you create, you can use that. So now let's see some more differences of budget total and the calculated column that we have created. So as we noticed, you can see in the table view the the count column that we have created. Where is it? Should delete. She must have done it here.
She deleted it.
Okay, somehow it disappeared, looks like.
She deleted it.
Deleted it? Okay. That's okay. Now, okay, let me create that again then. I just want to show you some things. The differences between column and
I understood another difference.
yes.
If you go into the report view,
yeah,
the function that we use called sum added up all the references of everything from the column of budget.
Yes.
So if we go into report view,
yeah,
and then we put budget total, which is our measure into there, it will show the total amount of money used throughout all the movies that we have in our data set.
Yes. Not only that, but that's a good observation. Okay, now what Shreyans is saying is if I click on this one, see, this is 181 billion of budget total that it is showing, right? It's showing here, but we can't see it as a column. And if we want it to be more interactive, let's say, for example, I'm adding a data visualization where okay, let's say I'm adding a clustered bar chart for let's say country by country gross. Okay, so sum of gross by country. Now, for example, if I go here and just take USA, that will, if I highlight USA, then this is the budget total for USA. And that's UK. So it's interactive. That is the reason we create measures rather than columns. Columns will not be that interactive. Sometimes they give wrong results. So that is the reason we create measures. Okay, understood?
I created the exact same thing with it being with it also being interactive without creating a measure, because I used the new cards somehow.
You can do that as well, because when you add a card, it will be a sum. This is just this measure is a very basic measure. You can do that even just by dragging just the budget, because it automatically creates sum. Okay. Okay, now enough of training now. What I want you to do is, you are all very brilliant kids. So I want to give you some homework. Okay, what your homework is, I'll share this link in your in the WhatsApp group. So what you need to do is go to this above link. I'm going to sorry.
Wait, sorry. Can you just like remove the permissions for us, because like some people are just removing me from the meeting.
Who is removing you from the meeting?
I don't know.
Okay, I will
just remove the permissions for us.
Yeah, sure. Okay, so there is something wrong here. Make over Monday. So page has changed a lot. Okay. See, if you come here, there are a lot of data sets in these years. Okay. So to 2024, from 2016 to 2024. You pick whatever, go through each of these data sets. See 19 surprising New Year's resolution statistics. All these, whichever, even football statistics will be there, cricket statistics will be there, a lot of data sets will be there. You pick whatever interests you and then try to come up with some analysis, not just graphs. Like Alina said, 83% of something she said, 83% of the budget is from USA or something like that. He said, right? She said, right? So something similar to that. You come up with the analysis. You have one more week to do that. So, and because you have holidays, you can come up with lot of analysis. Try 2 or 3 data sets, and whichever is comfortable, you choose that for your competition. And I am thinking of having the competition in about a month. So it will be, I think, it might be on 21st of August. And I'm planning to have that in the Microsoft Office. And there will be judges. Okay. So prepare for that. And you will be, from next week onwards, what we will do is, we will put you into breakout rooms. And 3 or 4 of us will be helping you with your own data visualizations. Okay? Got it? Are you all comfortable with that?
Yes.
Yes. I'll share this link of the data sets with you, and then you can start on selecting the data set and also coming up with some visualizations. Okay? Maybe next week I'll cover some more topics, but for now, it's 9 o'clock, sleep time, sleep tight. Okay?
Okay, I will sleep tight.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Sleep well, guys. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
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 Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Alina, do you have a question?
So, yes, yes, all the classes will be at the same time every Monday, 7:30.
Yeah.
Okay, and how many more weeks? 3, 4 weeks or more weeks?
Yeah, 4 more weeks until we have the, I think it will be till 19th. 19th maybe we may not have because it's Raksha Bandhan. I was thinking of initially having 19th as our competition day, but I don't think people will come because of Raksha Bandhan. So I'm thinking of 21st.
Okay, thank you. Okay, all good.
Huda, yeah.
So I have like trouble downloading it because I have a MacBook. Is there like a way to download it on a MacBook?
No, what you can do is, I'll share you something. Maybe you can create your visualization there. It's called app. It's called Power BI service. Can we do something tomorrow? Can you text me? Can you text me on WhatsApp, and then we can do something tomorrow?
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, Ninja. Do you have a question, Ninja? Monisha, yeah.
Yeah, I just wanted to say sorry about before. Like, I didn't know my mic was unmuted until like I went back onto it. I was just discussing with my mother about something, and then I realized my mic was unmuted.
That's okay, yeah. Just be mindful because we are recording, right? Yeah, just be mindful.
Yeah. All
That's
right. Thank you. Bye.
No worries, bye. Okay, Ninja, I can't hear you whether you're speaking or not. Who else is having there? Cherry, yeah, Cherry will come back to you. Divya, do you have any questions? Divya, Madhavi. Oh, we have to install the Power BI desktop, right? For you? Danushka then.
Yeah.
Okay, Cherry, do you have a question?
Yes.
What is it?
I'm sorry, but randomly my laptop, like my thing started like I couldn't hear anybody. I didn't hear the part where you said how to do the competition.
But did you not hear the whole entire
Oh
session?
no, I didn't hear you where the part said how to create your own.
How to create? Okay, I'll just share that with you again. Okay, so there is a link which I'm going to share in the WhatsApp group. So this is the if you go into each of the years, it will give you some data sets. If you click on these, you will get some kind of data set. So for example, diversity, land used by food type. I'm just going to this one.
What do I do with it?
Hello?
Go and try and download the data sets that they have used. See, average spending on Christmas link. Yeah, click on the links, okay? Then click on the link and then you will get the you might have to sign in with your Google account and then you can download the data set. Okay, so you can download. Yeah, for this you don't even need to sign in. I think you can see there is a download here. You will have XLS. So you can use Excel workbook and then import this and then you can analyze your data. Anything, whatever seems interesting for you, go through those lists. Whatever seems interesting for you, you do the analysis. Okay, try 3 or 4 data sets and come up with something for the competition. Okay.
Okay. Does everyone have to
have to what? Yeah, everyone have to do the analysis.
is it different for my sister and I, or is it just one for both?
If you want, you can do, both of you can do one. But when you are presenting, when you are talking about it, both of you can say a few words. Okay. Plan the presentation because everyone will be saying what they have analyzed. Okay. So yeah, you need to. So both of you can do it. You can do some parts, and she can do some parts. She can do some parts.
Do you have to do it together?
If you both are presenting one visualization, then both of you do together. If you are doing 2 visualizations, then both of you can do it separately. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So now, Ninja, I don't know. I can't
Hello.
see. Ninja. Yeah.
My
Do you have
Power BI doesn't work.
Do you have a laptop or a Mac?
I have a Mac.
Okay. So I think somebody else also has a Mac, and I asked her to contact me on WhatsApp so that we can do a session tomorrow. So can you also contact me on WhatsApp and then we can do a session maybe sometime for both of you where it is convenient for both of you. Okay.
What day? Like tomorrow?
Tomorrow. I'm planning tomorrow. Let's see. Okay. Mostly it will be in the evening.
Yeah.
Around 6 o'clock. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Danushka, can you share your screen?
Okay. Okay. 1 minute. I'm just sharing.
Yeah.
I'm sharing you my screen.
Yeah, I can see your screen.
So for the Power BI, I can't join.
No, if you have you downloaded the Power BI desktop?
No, it's not like letting me to download it.
Is this a laptop?
Yeah, it is a laptop.
Okay, go to Chromebook. I want to see what the go to Chrome, Google Chrome, and then go to just say Power BI desktop.
Power
Space BI, yeah.
BI
Desktop.
desktop. This one?
Yeah.
Power BI desktop download or
Yeah, download, yes.
I don't use a laptop much. I always use
That's okay. Yeah, come down.
Chromebook.
Come down.
Pardon?
Come down, scroll down. Download the second link, the download. Yeah, that one. No. Top.
Which one?
Yeah, this
Install
one.
on Windows? This one?
Yes. Okay, click on download.
Download.
Yeah.
Do I put download?
Yeah. And is it a 64-bit or a 32-bit for you?
There's a 64 and the top one is just says EXE. No. It's
Yeah, I can see that.
45.
No. Yeah. No, what I'm asking is your laptop, is it a newer one or a very, very old one?
No, it's a new one. It's a new one.
Then choose the second one. Choose the second one. Yeah, and then download.
And I couldn't understand your voice in the it was breaking in the middle of the class. I tried to say your voice was breaking. It's downloaded. It says click here manually.
No. Don't click there. Go to downloads. Go to Windows Explorer, the yellow box there. Yellow color, right side.
This one?
Yeah, yellow one. Yeah. That is called File Explorer. Yes. And then go to downloads there. Up. Yeah. See, that is downloaded. Now just double click on that.
1 minute. I did.
Yeah, it should come. Yeah, now go next.
You want to allow? Yes. Yes. Yeah. Next.
Yeah, do you want to allow? Yes. Yeah. Next. I accept. And then next.
And then next also?
Yes. Install. I will put the recording.